Good morning, Mrs. Salcedo here. I'm ready to read to y'all this week for your reading about tornadoes. So please follow along with the text as I read to you. Science Shorts, Tornadoes. Have you ever seen a tornado? You would recognize this dangerous weather phenomenon by its spinning funnel-shaped cloud. Tornadoes can also be called twisters. They are violently rotating columns of air that reach from a storm cloud to the ground. Tornadoes can appear suddenly and cause a lot of damage. What causes a tornado to form? Tornadoes typically form during thunderstorms when warm, moist air and cool, dry air meet. To form a tornado, you also need a change in wind direction and an increase in wind speed. When all of these things happen at once, it can cause the air to start spinning. As the warm air near the ground rises up toward the storm, a vertical column of spinning air is formed. This is the tornado. The winds of a tornado can reach up to 300 miles per hour. That's strong enough to rip the roofs off of buildings, uproot trees, and hurl heavy objects like cars hundreds of yards. Most tornadoes don't last very long, only about 10 minutes. In that time, they can travel several miles and cause a lot of damage. About 1,000 tornadoes are reported each year. Most of these occur in the United States in an area called Tornado Alley. Tornado Alley stretches from West Texas to North Dakota and can see more than 200 tornadoes each year. Tornadoes come in different shapes and sizes. Some tornadoes look like wide funnel-shaped clouds. Others look like thin rope-like swirls. Tornadoes can also vary in strength. The strength of a tornado is measured using a scale called the Fujita scale, or F scale. Tornadoes are scaled from F0 to F5. An F0 tornado is the weakest, while an F5 tornado is the strongest and most destructive. The deadliest tornado ever recorded was in Bangladesh in 1989. It destroyed more than 20 villages and killed around 1,300 people. Scientists do not fully understand tornadoes. A tornado is a complex and unpredictable weather phenomenon. This makes it very difficult and dangerous to study. Tornadoes destroy everything in their paths, including measuring equipment. You may be curious to learn more about these powerful storms, but it's best to keep your distance. You don't want to be anywhere near a tornado.